Hi guys, TonieSha here. In this video, I'm gonna share with you what would be the top 5 pros and cons of having an air fryer. So if this video was something that you're interested in, just keep on watching. So it promotes healthier cooking. It cuts down 70 to 80% of the calories. So if your favorite food is always eating a fried food and still you want to be healthy this 2021, so why not consider to buy an air fryer? Then the second one would be hands-free cooking. This is actually perfect for busy moms like me na walang helper sa bahay. You can easily attend doing your household chores while cooking your food in the air fryer, or you can look after your baby. Then the third one would be is easy to operate with no complicated buttons. You just have to set it in proper temperature and kung how many minutes mo dapat lutuin yung food. So guys, ito yung air fryer namin. Mondial ang kanyang brand. So this is actually a wedding gift sa amin ng parents ko. So shout out to my parents. Thank you so much. So far, the last time that I used this air fryer is I cooked bacon. So ito yung itsura niya. Ito yung itsura ng air fryer namin. So sinit ko lang siya sa 80 degrees. And then, I just cook it for about 15 minutes. So, ito lang siya yung itsura niya. So, ganyan lang, ilalagay mo lang dyan yung pagkain na i-air fryer mo. So, kapag gusto mo siyang tanggalin, you just have to swipe this, then click this one, then ayan, matatanggal na siya, diba? So, convenient and very handy. Tapos, ganun lang din guys kapag ipapalik mo siya. Swipe this down, then balik mo na siya dun sa lalagyan kapag gusto mo nang gamitin ulit. And this is actually yung manual niya. Ang mahirap lang dito is hindi siya English translated. So, kailangan mong magsariling sikap, diba? Kung paano mo siya gagamitin. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung itsura niya ano itsura nung bacon na niluto ko by using this air fryer. Then, the important would be convenient and safe to use. So, perfect to lalo na sa mga college students na nag-judor that you can cook any time of the day your favorite comfort food. No need mo naman pa-deliver, then nakatipid ka pa. Then, the fifth one would be no oily mess. Since si air fryer naman is sa loob mo lulutuin yung pagkain. So, no oiliness talaga siya. Unlike with the traditional deep fryer, merong tatalsik-talsik na mantika. So, by using this air fryer, it will avoid hot oil injuries. So, let's talk about first the disadvantages of having an air fryer. So, air fryer are more expensive than the traditional deep fryer. So, upon checking it online, air fryer are costly around 1,400 to 15,000. Then, with the traditional deep fryer, also costs around 1,400 to 12,650. But, if you are having your own dream kitchen, so why not to save money and earn to have your own air fryer, diba? Then the second one will be air fryer has a longer cooking time than with the traditional deep fryer. So, air fryer can cook fast but not super fast tulad ng expectations natin. If we use air fryer, it will take for about 15 to 25 minutes depende pa sa food na lulutuin mo. But if you are using traditional deep fryer, it will take for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then the third one would be, so air fryer are small for large families. If you are 8 in a person's pataas sa isang pamilya, then you wanna cook ng isang salang lang, then I won't recommend you to buy an air fryer. But meron kasing mga air fryer na they have an extra feature, which is they have different baskets. Depende sa kung ano yung lulutuin mo. Then the fourth one will be burn and dry. So the reason why burn and dry yung pagkain na niluluto natin using this air fryer is because hindi natin siya na-set sa proper temperature and kung how many minutes mo dapat lutuin yung pagkain. So ito siya guys. So babalik ko siya ulit for another 5 minutes kasi parang medyo hilaw pa siya. So guys, after extra 5 minutes, so I just set it to 80 degrees temperature and I cook it for about 15 minutes. So ayan siya.
2 moments later.
Then the last one will be space consuming and bulky. So actually mahirap to lalo sa mga may maliit na kitchen. But conclusion for this air fryer, it is not a bad thing to have an air fryer, lalo na if you want convenience, if you want extra help for your cooking journey. But if you just buying an air fryer is just because uso lang, then hindi siya worth of your money. So there you have it at this video. Find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that you won't miss any of my new video. Bye! So let's first discuss what are the advantages of having an air fryer. So the first one will be it promotes healthier cooking. It cuts 70 to 80% of the calories, and